Dear friends, I am Pradeep Mukhopadhyay, Managing Director of Webel. I am in the professional field for over 40 years after graduations from Bengal Engineering College, Sipur. This COVID-19 has been an unique experience in all the people of our generations. We have never faced similar situation, neither we have envisioned nor we have anticipated. This situation will definitely change the paradigm of human mindset, and it will take us to a different direction in future years. As you all would agree that when the difficulties are at its peak, that is the beginning of good time, and the difficulties strengthen your mindset, difficulties strengthen your body and mind both. And there is a saying that the things which does not kill you makes you more stronger. We need to simply keep patience, and we need to engage ourselves in more and more activities. You have to do the daily programming of your days and engage yourself every activity, and you will see that you are developing yourself day by day, and you have to adapt to these situations to combat the future challenges after the post COVID-19. Do not try to see in the far future, because none of us can see. When we can't see anything, that creates a sense of fear. So there is a famous saying by Sunil Gavaskar that when the score, the opponent has given a huge score, then you should not look at that score. You should go run by run. So you have to plan your week, you have to plan your month, you have to plan your year, and don't try to see what is going to happen after 10 years or after 15 years. That will make you more frightful. Many of us in our life has spent few years, which were not very productive. But in future years, if you have planned well, you can always cover up whatever you have lost. What is important in life is not the speed, it is the direction which takes you to the destinations. In everybody's life, there are ups and downs. Let's say that in a career span of around 30 to 35 years, even if you do not, fully utilize your 1 or 2 years, which is hardly 5% of your entire career, and out of that 5% earning, maybe your saving is only 20%, which leads to 1% of the saving out of entire career of 30 to 35 years, which can very well be covered up, and which can be judiciously, if you do judicious investment and judicious saving, this 1% is very highly insignificant for that, and you can always cover it. Do you believe that human race will not be able to come out of this COVID-19 challenges? Definitely it will come out of these things. We have seen World War One and World War Two and post challenges of those days. We have already heard that the vaccine has been developed and it is under trial. I'm sure that by another few months' time we will come out of this difficult period and will come back to the normalcy. I would like to conclude by saying that there are situations which are controllable, and for the controllable situation you need to plan well so that you can manage it well, and you can really do good things, and you can progress throughout that period. There are uncontrollable situations which is not within your control. So for that you need to adapt to that situation so that you can manage well, you can survive that period, and when good situation comes, then you can bounce back and you can cover up that period. And I'm sure that the time keeps on changing. If you have bad time now, then good time is going to be there very soon. And I wish you all the best. Maintain your energy, maintain your positive outlook, and days are not far when you all will be coming back to the normal conditions, and you will be enjoying your life both in your career as well as in your personal life. Thank you very much. Be positive and enjoy your life. Life is, say, this is one life, and what is important? Money is not important. Enjoyment is important, and please look forward to that. And days are not far when it is going to be resumed again. Thank you very much.